Hello learners, it's me Anu here, math enthusiast from channel Class 6 Maths with our ongoing chapter of fractions. I'm sure everyone is gaining from my videos, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Those who haven't seen my previous videos or want to revise it can check it out on my channel Class 6 Maths in the fraction playlist. And talking about today's video, we are going to learn exercise 7.3 which will cover the topic of equivalent fraction and simplest form of a fraction. So is everyone ready? Let's begin. So question number 1. Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent? So let's firstly write the fractions. In the first circle, we have total 2 equal parts and 1 is shaded out of 2. So fraction is 1 by 2. In the next circle, total parts are 4 and the shaded are 2. So the fraction is 2 by 4. In the third circle, it's divided into 6 equal parts. Shaded are 3, which gives the fraction 3 by 6. And the last circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Shaded are 4. So the fraction is 4 by 8. So clearly we can see that numerator is telling us the shaded parts and denominator is telling us the total number of equal parts a particular figure is divided. So here we have to check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. So how we are going to do it? We are going to simplify them. Like 1 by 2 is already simplified in lowest form. Then second 2 by 4, if we divided it with 2, we are going to get 1 by 2 after simplifying. 3 by 6 also gives us 1 by 2. 4 by 8 also gives us 1 by 2. So we can clearly see that all of these fractions are turning up to half, 1 by 2, which means yes, these are equivalent fractions. Also, if we want to check them visually, if we overlap their shaded parts, if we put one over the other, they're going to exactly overlap each other. So from that also we can say they are equivalent fractions. Let's move ahead. So let's do the B part of the same question, where firstly we will write the fraction and then we'll check whether the fractions are equivalent or not. So in the first rectangle, we can see 4 circles are shaded out of total 12 circles. Then 3 are shaded out of 9 circles. Then 6 are shaded out of 3 into 4, 15 circles. Then 2 are shaded out of 6 circles. Then 1 is shaded out of 3 circles. Now, to check whether they are equivalent or not, I'm going to simplify them. So in the first one, if we divide the numerator and denominator with 4, we are going to get 1 by 3. Then 3 and 9 divided by 3 gives us 1 by 3. 6 by 15 will be divided by 3, giving us 2 by 5. 2 by 6 will be divided with 2, giving us 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is already in the lowest form. So if we observe all the fractions, 4 of them are same, 1 by 3, but the third one is 2 by 5. That is, it is different. So the fractions are not equivalent. The answer is no. These fractions are not equivalent. Moving ahead. Question number 2. Write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. So our task is first to write all the fractions. So let's see. Here we have 1 is shaded out of total 2 equal parts. Then we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 are shaded out of 6 parts. Then 1, 2, 3. 3 are shaded out of 9 equal parts. Then 1 and 2. 2 are shaded out of 4 and 4, 8 equal parts. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 are shaded out of 4 equal parts. So before moving ahead and writing the fractions, let's simplify them. So 1 by 2 is already in the lowest form. Then 4 by 6, both are divisible with 2, giving us 2 by 3. 3 by 9 are divisible with 3, which gives us 1 by 3. 2 by 8 are divisible with 2, giving us 1 by 4, and 3 by 4 is already in lowest form. Now, let's write the fractions of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded out of 18 total parts. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are shaded out of 8 equal parts. And in this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are shaded out of 16 equal parts. Then 8 are shaded out of 12 equal parts. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 are shaded out of 7, 8, 16 equal parts. I hope everyone is clear with this. Numerator is telling us the shaded part and the denominator is telling us the total number of equal parts. Now let's simplify them. 6 and 18 are divisible with 6, giving us 1 by 3. 4 and 8 are divisible with 4, giving me 1 by 2. 12 and 16 are divisible with the 4, giving us 3 by 4. 8 and 12 are again divisible with 4, giving us 2 by 3. 4 and 16 are again divisible with 4, giving us 1 by 4. Right? So now we have the lowest form and the fractions also of these figures. Now we have to do the last thing, that is pair up them. So let's do the matching part. So A part is 1 by 2, which is matching with the second part, right? So A is matching with the second part. Then we have 2 by 3. So here we can clearly see fourth part. So I will do this with B will be paired with fourth part. So I'm not going to draw the lines. I'm just going to write it here in this box, right? Else we'll not be able to understand. So C part is 1 by 3. So where is 1 by 3? Yeah, first part. C is paired with first part. Then we have 1 by 4 D. D is paired with fifth part. Then we have 3/4 E, which is paired with third part. So I hope everyone is clear. So let's move ahead to the next question. Question number 3. Replace the squares in each of the following by the correct number. So to solve this question, we need to have the knowledge of how to obtain an equivalent fraction. So I have already explained in my previous videos, but let's quickly revise it. In this, what we do, we multiply or divide the numerator and denominator with the same number, right? So the conditions are that either multiply or divide, but with the same number, and both numerator and denominators have to be multiplied or divided. So let's do the A part. Here the numerator value is increasing, so obviously we are multiplying. So 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8, so we have to multiply the denominator as well with 4, which gives us 7 times 4 is 28, right? So B part, again the value of the numerator is increasing, so we are multiplying, but with which number? Here we are multiplying it with 2, giving us 10. So obviously denominator is also multiplied, giving us 8 times 2, 16, right? Then C part, 3 by 5 is equal to, we have to find the numerator. We'll see the denominator. The value of the denominator is increasing, so here we are multiplying the denominator with 4. So obviously numerator is also multiplied. So 3 times 4 is 12, giving us the equivalent fraction 12 by 20. Moving to the D part. Here if you observe, the new fraction value is decreasing. So here we are not multiplying, we are dividing. Here we are dividing 45 with 3, giving us 15. So similarly, denominator will also be divided by 3. 60 divided by 3 gives us 20. So the fraction is 15 by 20. Moving to the E part, here we can see that 18 by 24, again the fraction value is decreasing. So here 24 is divided with 6, giving us 4 as the denominator. So obviously numerator is also divided by 6, giving us 18 divided by 6 is 3. So the equivalent fraction is 3 by 4. I hope everyone is clear. Let's move ahead. So question number 4. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having a part is denominator 20. So how we are going to solve it? 3 by 5 and the denominator is given us to be 20 and we have to find the numerator. So what we are going to do again, we are going to see with which number should we multiply. So here 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So obviously numerator is also multiplied. So 3 times 4 gives us 12. So now the new equivalent fraction is 12 by 20. Moving to the B part, numerator 9. So 3 by 5 is equal to 9 is the numerator and we have to find the denominator. So here 3 is multiplied with 3 to give us 9. So obviously denominator is also multiplied with 3 giving us 15. So now the new equivalent fraction is 9 by 15. C part, denominator 30. So 3 by 5 is equal to, denominator is 30. We have to find the numerator. So 5 is multiplied with 6 to give us 30. So we'll multiply the numerator also, giving us 3 times 6 is 18. So the new equivalent fraction is 18 by 30. Now D part is numerator 27. So 3 by 5 is equal to 27 and we have to find the denominator. So observing the numerator, we can clearly see that 3 multiplied by 9 gives us 27. So we will multiply the denominator also with 9, giving us 45. So the equivalent fraction is 27 by 45. I hope everyone is clear about it. So I have made a short video of half of the exercise. For the remaining exercise, you can watch the next video. I'm sure everyone is liking my video, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more such content. I'm looking forward for all the motivation. So please keep on watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.